So if you had like a list of three things that someone who's just getting started out in SEO could do to start moving the needle, what would those three things be?
The first thing I'd say is learn what the factors are and start doing them all.
What's one example? Like, are you talking like Google Business Profile or something else?
Yep. So an example would be obviously links. So start building links, which is one of the most important things you can do. Um, then you've got like to understand the topic that you're trying to rank for. So if it's like builders in Auckland, then what goes into that? So there's builders, Auckland, and then you can put in construction and a whole lot of different other related keywords and build up a cluster of topics that would be suitable to go on that page. And then start adding images. Make sure that you've got a building related image. That's a factor. Make sure you've got a video if you can. That's another factor. Make sure you've got a list which includes some of these topics. That's another factor. Make sure you've got different subheadings that include different topics around that keyword. That's another factor. Um, have you got social media profiles on your website? That's another factor. Are you implementing schema markup on your site, which is structured data? That's another factor. Are keywords included? That can be another factor. How fast is your site? That's another factor. Where is the site hosted? That's another. So it just goes on and on.